Hey friends, if you are troubleshooting DISM repair command is stuck at processing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Now why are we performing it? Because sfc is, you can call it the offline version of the DISM repair command. Okay, DISM will repair the system image and sfc will repair the broken and corrupt files. So you are doing a similar job. Now what could be the main cause behind it? I think that the main cause could be either a third party software which is preventing it, for which you can clean boot it but it won't make much of a difference, or malware. So one thing that I will definitely suggest is to try the malware removal tool before anything else. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and then let it scan through. Last one is a cloud reset. Okay, and how would you perform a cloud reset? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, select reset PC, click on remove everything and then wait for it to and finally click on cloud download to initiate the cloud download process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.